Did you know that India's Chandrayaan-2 was Asia's first attempt to land on the lunar South Pole, a feat that no country had ever achieved? On July 22, 2019, India dared to dream. A dream to conquer the moon's South Pole, a dream that was embodied by the launch of the Chandrayaan-2. This wasn't just a spacecraft, it was a symbol of ambition, a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon of hope for every developing nation. An orbiter, a lander named Vikram, and a rover named Pragyan, each with a specific role to play, comprised this ambitious mission. The orbiter, a true pathfinder, was designed to map the moon's surface and gather crucial data about its composition. The lander, Vikram, was engineered to execute a soft landing on the moon's south pole, a task no lander had accomplished before. And Pragyan, the rover, was designed to explore the lunar surface, unraveling the mysteries of its geology and mineralogy. Chandrayaan-2 was more than just a mission for India. It was a message to the world, a message that said that even developing countries could make significant contributions to space exploration. It was a statement of intent, a demonstration of capability, and an invitation to the world to witness the dawn of a new era in lunar exploration. The launch was a spectacle to behold. The Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India, roared to life as the PSLV C-47 rocket carrying Chandrayaan-2 ignited and lifted off. This was a mission that cost an estimated 978 crore rupees, or $134 million, a small price to pay for the dreams of a billion people. And so, with the roar of the PSLV C-47 rocket, Chandrayaan-2 embarked on its ambitious journey, carrying the dreams of a billion people. The moon, our celestial neighbor, was no longer a distant dream, but a destination within reach. The world watched with bated breath as India took its first steps towards the south pole of the moon. The journey of Chandrayaan-2 to the moon was not without its share of nail-biting moments. A voyage of over 200,000 miles, this mission was both a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder of the vastness of the cosmos. On August 20th, 2019, Chandrayaan-2 successfully entered lunar orbit, marking a significant milestone in its journey. The spacecraft carrying the hopes and dreams of a nation was now circling the moon, ready to make history. But space exploration is not a walk in the park. It's a dance with the unknown, a tango with the unpredictable. And so, during the final descent to the lunar surface, the lander Vikram and the rover Pragyan lost contact with the ground station. The silence from the duo was deafening, a sudden pause in an otherwise harmonious symphony. Yet, in the face of this setback, the spirit of the Indian space community remained unbroken. Instead of wallowing in disappointment, they chose to focus on the positives. Yes, Vikram and Pragyan had gone silent, but they had traveled farther than any Indian spacecraft before them. Their journey, though incomplete, was a testament to the leaps and bounds India had made in space exploration. And let's not forget the orbiter. While its companions may have lost their voice, the orbiter was still very much in the game. It continued to circle the moon, its instruments working tirelessly, mapping the lunar surface, studying its composition, and gathering data. In the grand scheme of things, the loss of Vikram and Pragyan was but a hiccup in an otherwise successful mission. It was a learning experience, a stepping stone to greater achievements. Despite the silence from Vikram and Pragyan, the mission was far from over. The orbiter was still alive and kicking, ready to unravel the secrets of the moon. The journey of Chandrayaan-2 serves as a reminder that in the realm of space exploration, there are no failures, only lessons. The orbiter of Chandrayaan-2, though alone, had a critical task at hand. This solitary piece of Indian engineering continued to orbit the moon, its sensors and instruments tirelessly scanning the lunar surface. It was mapping the moon's topography, studying its composition, and feeding back invaluable data to the eager scientists back on Earth. The orbiter, like a silent sentinel, circled the moon for nearly a year, capturing images and collecting data that would go on to provide a wealth of knowledge about our celestial neighbor. It was a mission that, despite the loss of Vikram and Pragyan, was not in vain. The orbiter's contributions were immense, and its findings continue to be of immense value to the global scientific community. The mission of Chandrayaan-2 came to a calculated end on September 10, 2019, when the orbiter was intentionally crashed into the moon. This was not a defeat, but a planned part of the mission. The orbiter had completed its task, it had done its duty, and it had done it well. But the end of the mission was not the end of the story. The legacy of Chandrayaan-2 lives on. The data it collected, the images it captured, the knowledge it provided, all continue to be studied by scientists around the world. It is a treasure trove of information that will continue to yield new discoveries for years to come. And perhaps most importantly, Chandrayaan-2 continues to inspire. It is a testament to the human spirit, to our unending curiosity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a beacon for future space explorers, a shining example of what can be achieved even in the face of adversity. This mission has paved the way for future Indian missions to the moon, including the upcoming Chandrayaan-3, scheduled for launch in 2023. It has shown that setbacks are not the end, but simply stepping stones on the path to success. The journey of Chandrayaan-2 may have ended, but its legacy continues to shine bright, guiding the path for future missions. The moon, once a distant dream, is now within our reach, and the journey continues, inspired by the legacy of Chandrayaan-2. The story of India's space program doesn't end with Chandrayaan-2, it's just the beginning. India's journey to the moon was a daring one, filled with moments of triumph and lessons learned. Chandrayaan-2, with its orbiter, lander, and rover, set out to uncover the secrets of the moon's south pole. While it may not have completed every objective, its legacy lives on, inspiring new generations of space explorers and paving the way for future missions. And speaking of future missions, India's space program is not slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating. Chandrayaan-3, the next mission in line, is scheduled to launch in 2023. This mission is designed to be a comeback, a chance to complete the unfinished journey of its predecessor. With a lander and rover, but no orbiter this time, Chandrayaan-3 will aim to soft land on the lunar surface and explore it, collecting valuable data about the moon's geology and mineralogy. But that's not all. The Indian space program is also looking beyond the moon. Plans are in place for missions to Mars, Venus, and even the Sun. Each mission represents a new opportunity to learn, to explore, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. Following these missions is not just about keeping up with the latest space news. It's about being a part of the journey, witnessing history in the making. It's about understanding our place in the universe and the role we can play in exploring it. It's about inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers who will carry the torch forward. India's space program is a testament to the power of curiosity, determination, and innovation. It's a story of a nation that dares to dream big, that dares to reach for the stars. And it's a story that's still being written, with each new mission adding a new chapter. The dream of conquering the moon is alive, the journey continues, and you're invited to be a part of it. India's space program has shown us that the sky is not the limit. The tale of Chandrayaan-2 is a testament to this. With its launch, journey, hiccup, and the legacy it left behind, India's second lunar mission was a journey of hope, perseverance, and undying spirit. It was a bold statement to the world that even developing nations can contribute significantly to the process of space exploration. The Chandrayaan-2 mission, despite its setback, was not a failure. In fact, it was a stepping stone towards greater achievements. It collected invaluable data about the moon, and most importantly, it sparked a wave of enthusiasm and curiosity among aspiring space explorers. It's a vivid reminder that every exploration, every attempt, whether fully successful or not, leads to learning and progress. India's space journey doesn't end here. With future missions like Chandrayaan-3 on the horizon, the quest for knowledge continues. Stay curious, stay informed, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be part of a mission that takes humanity one step further into the cosmos.